Welcome back. This episode, fortunately, we don't have any dramas. We'll talk about demolishing the toilets and building the roof, digging the well, and opening the big windows, the big walls. So, as we talked about in previous episodes, first episode, like we want to remove the toilets from outside just to have to see the beautiful arcs from both sides. That this view is amazing, like of the building, and which is, I think, it's the most beautiful thing in it. It's the arcs, the way it's done. Building the roof. The roof really should take like 1 month or 1 month and a half. It took us 4 months. The guys really were so slow. There's only one guy who really know what he's doing, and the others were like helping him tiles by tiles, brick by bricks. It was really we were so angry, we were so mad about the delay, but we can do nothing since this is what you get there. So a lot of vacations this week. It's too much excuses when you are in these things, but at the end, it is what it is. We need to wait, and it was done maybe after 3-4 months. With a big difference of budget, but it is what it is, as I said. Also, as we mentioned in the first episode, that we want to open big windows, because this side was only walls and there's one door, so it's not nice. We want to see the pool from the other side. We want to have a nice view over the land. So yes, we did a lot of demolishing. Maybe the wall was like 50 centimeter and more. Also, it took a lot of effort from the guys to remove it. And at the end, I didn't want to plaster it. I wanted to show the wall as it is, the bricks, the broken bricks as it is. This is what we like. We like the mix between bricks and H-beams, kind of industrial and old things. Digging the well was also a lot of waiting. We need many licenses from the government so we can dig a well. You need to prove that there's no water from the government there. And we wanted to have really everything off grid. We have our own water, we have our own electricity, our own internet and sewage, so we are not connected. We are really off grid.